Why I never want to work for anyone ever again. Hi, my name is Jamie and I am a digital marketer. Digital marketing was not something that was on my radar until recently. A couple of years ago, my husband and I, along with one of our sons, moved to North Carolina. I left my auto repair shop job of 10 years where I was able to do whatever I wanted, whenever I wanted. After our move, I wasn't in a hurry to get back to work. But shortly after, I received a phone call from an auto repair shop that wanted me to come work for them. And since I truly loved the work, I accepted their offer. And I went to work for one whole day. And it was a good day. I intended on continuing the employment and going back to work. But something changed within me on the ride home, and I spent 30 full minutes crying my eyes out. Felt like I was being trapped. My son, who made the move here to North Carolina with us and did that to enhance his racing career, had a big racing season coming up. And when I mentioned this to my new boss, I got the answer of, we will talk about it when the time gets closer. I accepted that answer and thought to myself, well, if I have to miss a race, I might have to miss a race. Then on the way home, I came to realize something about myself. If I was nothing else, I was definitely a dedicated employee. I was already considering putting that job, the owners, my coworkers, who I didn't even know yet, above my own family and my wants and needs. Not to mention that my parents and my siblings and my other son were still back in Michigan. My stepdad had recently been diagnosed with an incurable cancer, and my dad and stepmom have health issues of their own. So if I needed to get back to Michigan, I definitely didn't want to have to ask for permission or be worried about missing work and all of which that entails. So for those reasons, I made a decision that I didn't ever want to work for anyone other than myself again. And after searching for months and months, trying different money-making avenues online, I can finally say, and I'm proud to say, that I found what I was looking for in digital marketing. I made the commitment to myself to make this work. And I'm already seeing results after just a little over a month of putting my head down and grinding it out. So if you can relate to any of this, please give me a follow and join me on this journey.